You're feeling good, you're feeling right. Across the floor and I'm already losing my mind.
We are out here day 3. We're just tanning, and it's probably really windy right now because I got the mic right here. I'm just chilling, listening to some music. Gonna get in the water soon and tube, I guess you could call it. We like lay in them and ride the waves in. We get taken out a lot. We wipe out. It's pretty funny. We're gonna try to get some of that on video for you guys. But we'll see you guys when we get in the water.
About 3.5 feet.
So me and Abby decided to just come down to the beach.
Think about life.
I can't flip the camera around because we're still using my phone. And I'm eating Smarties. My phone's gonna die, so I'll probably vlog the rest on Abby's phone if we do anything interesting. But no. So as soon as I stopped the camera, Abby fell. So we started walking, and then I got stuck. And this is like past my ankles. But it is golden hour. Let me just tell you, golden hour. It is like the lighting is so good. Abby is up there. So it's like, and it's been like 10 minutes since I've been stuck in this sand, and I like look back and I don't see Abby anywhere. Jamie, I'm probably stuck here forever. I actually can't get out. I've tried. I really cannot get out. And sorry, someone texted me. Still can't find her. Jamie, my phone is also on 8%, so it's gonna die soon. And there's somebody walking over here. Okay. Update. I found Abby, and I finally got out of that sand, and my phone is also on 4% now, so I gotta go before it dies.
Going fishing.
Yeah. Over here at
The dock way over there.
I can't see it.
Head over there. Before we get rid of my car.
Yeah, because your car's coming.
Oh crap, the lantern just broke.
Are you serious?
It was already broken. It just did snap though.
Yeah, well, vlog some if we catch anything. Probably won't, but oh yeah. Hey, that's the guy that I got ran over by a bike with. I was directing traffic with him.
Oh yeah. Oh, I even get some good lighting.
Oh, put it in the front right here. Oh! So, you probably can't see this, but he just caught a huge shrimp. Like,
You eat it right now.
it is, yeah, eat it.
Eat it.
Eat it.
Absolutely not.
Eat.
See, now I'm blinded. Bruh.
You know,
Morgan, are you gonna get them? Why don't you catch any fish?
yeah, you're just catching shrimp.
Bro, you hear that siren?
Hey, there's a fish.
Where? Yo! I heard. Ah! Don't jump. Okay, catch it. Get on the video.
No. Got him.
No. Show him on the camera, Mason.
No. Okay, I got him.
Make him look really big.
He's so big.
Okay, now you cannot throw him. You gotta go up there. No,
you
don't
got it,
throw
Mason,
him.
you got it.
I got it.
No, don't throw him. Kobe. Mason!
You idiot! Oh my god! Me and Mason going up to the club up here. When we got up to the Italian ice place at exactly 10, they closed at 10. They were a little bit salty. They can get over it though. Can we get in?
Yeah, that's good.
So, this
Put them in the bucket. Those aren't edible. Look, we got crabs, y'all. I don't care. Just put them in the bucket.
Those are eatable.
probably can't see it. But this is night 2 out on the dock.
Wait, make sure you can see the crabs. Cause...
We'll show them in a second.
Wait, stick your finger in there. Mason, stick your finger.
But we got told that if we catch enough shrimp, then we can cook them and eat them.
Yeah,
So we out here catching shrimp.
and fish.
Yeah,
Here's
whatever.
the crab. Whoa.
Where'd the other one go?
Oh, it fell.
Look, there's a couple goals right here. There's a couple goals.
They're not even sitting close together.
What? Please never say we out here again.
This is the bridge. Me and Mason are playing What Are the Odds? And we are going to put our spoons from our Italian ice in people's mailboxes.
Is it right?
Yeah. This one was yours. That one was yours. And this one was mine. My mini spoon.
Was it actually a
It's
mail?
still there. Yeah, it's still there. Bro, they're gonna see me.
I got it.
Oh,
There's two in there.
right? No, there's only one. They took it out. So I'm day 6-ish. Maybe. I don't remember what day I put last. Still catching some shrimps. And yeah, because I'm gonna drop my phone in the water. That would suck. So we actually brought ice this time because we lost about 30. Yeah. We caught a fish.
Oh, dang it, my phone's not loading.
We need a thumbnail. We need some kind of cool thumbnail with like that
So
stingray.
now, about to chop his head off, so I guess skip for the next like 10 seconds or so if you don't want to watch.
Video description is advised. Painful. I'm a very painless death.
Okay, and that's all I should. Oh god, that's not.
I'm just chilling, listening to music. I forgot to bring food like a dumbo. Oh yes, she is feeling the music right now. Munching on the Lucky Charms. She really chowing down. She looked like she really thinking about life right now. I wonder she's gonna notice.
To vlog this, but we are back home and I'm yelling, not sure why, sorry. RIP headphone users. But today was my first day of school. Abby is at her house up the driveway. Let's see if you can see. Her house is like, where's my thing? Right there. So yeah. So my outfit, y'all. Yeah. Okay, I didn't really have it tied up like this at school, but I'm hot right now, so that's why it's tied up like that. But Abby's not here right now to do the outro, so I'm just gonna do it. So we will see you guys next week with a brand new video. Not sure what it's gonna be, but I hope that you enjoyed this vlog. So comment down below if you think we should do more vlogs and stuff like this. We're getting a little bit better at vlogging. If you go watch our 4th of July vlog and this vlog, you'll see the progress that we actually talked during this one and actually vlogged a little bit. Still forgot to like vlog us on the floats and in the ocean, really on the beach and stuff. But hopefully this is a better one. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. Comment down below what you think our next video should be, because we need some ideas within the next couple of days. And we'll see you guys next week.